Howdy, y'all. Welcome back to another episode of A Confirmed Omnivore Tries Vegan. Today, I'm going to try some lunch meat. This is Lightlife Smart Deli plant-based deli slices. It's fake turkey. Ingredients you know and taste you'll love. They're a carbon neutral company. A lot of these plant-based fake meat stuffs are no better for you than real meat. The calorie rise, they're up there. This is really high in protein. 14 grams in just 4 slices. If I ate the whole package, that's 53% of my daily amount of protein. It's only 290 calories for the whole pack. 100 per serving, which is 4 slices. It's unusual. Like I said, Impossible stuff is just as much fat and calories, sometimes more, than just ground beef. Anyway, I'm not vegan. If you're a regular watcher, this is griddle porn after all. Where normally I'm griddling, but not today. And I griddle all kinds of things, including meat. But sometimes something is good. Sometimes it's not. This does not look appetizing. It doesn't look like turkey. It looks like something. I don't know what it looks like. But we'll give it a try. Looks like I'll have to slice it open. Slice. I happen to have a knife here. Just, it doesn't want to open. Maybe I should take that as a warning. You didn't listen. I tried to keep you out. It may be good. Who knows? This is my first foray into vegan lunch meats. These are, I'm trying to see how thick. Oh, that's only 2 slices. So they're pretty thick, as you can see. And you can tell by the color. It doesn't smell like turkey either. It's made of soy proteins, wheat gluten, soybean oil. I'm using regular brown mustard. It's, as far as I know, not vegan. It's organic. So it's got that going for it. Wheat gluten, soy protein, soy sauce, tapioca starch, salt, yeast, carrageenan, dehydrated garlic, navy bean flour, rice bran. Ooh. Well, you know, if it's got navy bean flour, it's got to be good, right? Here I go. Okay. rolled up and covered in mustard with bread. You can't tell how bad it is. I bet if I threw some lettuce and tomato and mayonnaise, you'd not notice it's really bland meat like substance. I wasn't expecting a whole lot, so I'm not disappointed. It really needs tomato and lettuce and onions and mayonnaise and mustard and as many other ingredients as you can squeeze on to cover the taste. It's it's blah. Um, when the package wouldn't open for me, I should have taken that as a warning. But for you vegans who are looking for a plant-based alternative to turkey slices on your sandwich, maybe you're happy with it. I would not be. So, that's it. A unsatisfactory lunch meat substitute. It's stuff like this that people don't trust vegans in their food choices. There are some delicious alternatives like Ripple soy milk for ice cream is fantastic, like better than real dairy. Um, this isn't one of them though. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching. We all have a great day, and we'll see you next time. Bye.